Our story begins in prehistoric times. Archaeological evidence suggests that dance has been a part of human culture for over 9,000 years. Cave paintings in India and Egypt depict figures in dance-like poses, hinting at the ancient origins of this captivating art form. The first recorded dance traces back to the 5th century BC in ancient Greece. The Greeks incorporated dance into their religious ceremonies, theater performances, and social gatherings. They believed dance had the power to heal and connect the human soul to divine entities. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and we find dance taking center stage in courtly life. Dance styles such as the Galliard and the Pavan became popular during this period. These dances were not just about rhythm and movement, they were also a means of courtly communication, a way to display elegance and sophistication. The 16th century saw the birth of ballet in Italy, which later flourished in France under the patronage of King Louis XIV, also known as the Sun King. Ballet became a symbol of royal elegance and grandeur, setting the stage for classical dance forms. As we move into the 20th century, dance takes on a revolutionary turn. In America, the Jazz Age gave birth to new dance styles like the Charleston and the Lindy Hop. These dances were energetic, spontaneous, and full of life, reflecting the spirit of the time. In the late 20th century, dance became even more diverse and inclusive. Hip-hop, born in the streets of New York, broke traditional dance norms and introduced a fresh, dynamic style. Contemporary dance also emerged, a genre that values individual expression and improvisation. Today, dance continues to evolve, influenced by global trends and cultural fusion. From K-pop to TikTok dances, the world has become a global stage for everyone to express themselves through dance. In conclusion, dance is a universal language that transcends borders and time. It has evolved from ancient rituals to courtly displays, from classical ballet to street dance. It's an art form that celebrates human expression in its most rhythmic form. Remember, every dance tells a story, so keep dancing and keep telling your story.